Welcome to ALC Exteriors, and now they are merged to a new company called Summit. 614-8 Summit. And here we are picking our colors. And we are choosing the charcoal gray. See how it looks when they are done. And they are very, very nice. And also, they really did a good thing. They came to the house around 6:30 and the roof was done like 10:30. So it's around 3.5 hours. See the original color like darker, and we'll see the new outcome after they did everything. They came to the house like before the sunrise, and they are tearing everything out, and the roof was 2004, so it's like 19 years, and we had some damage from the storm. See, we got approved from the insurance. They really did a good job, guys. So 8 people are doing the roof, so that's why they are very fast, and they did very well. Good man. So guys, let's wait and see na lang after, before and after. So hang in there, and thank you guys for watching, and see how it goes. They're early, huh?
Yeah, they were here. I got up and moved
Huh?
I got up and moved the cars at like 6, but they pulled in like about 6:30 and got all their gear and stuff out. They'll have that whole roof tore off in about an hour probably. A couple hours maybe.
Where is the roof?
See, they're tearing
new
all the
ones.
shingles. They might be on the other side. They come in like packs.
Honey, no, we know where to pull.
Yeah, they know how to hit the nails and get all the shingles up. They'll tear all that off. Then you see the brown underneath the wood. They'll leave that there and then nail the new shingles down to that. And hopefully that wood that's underneath is not too bad, because we're gonna have to get new wood.
That's cool. Somebody at the back? Or not yet?
Well, these guys over here are working there.
We are getting a new roof. Look at them working hard. They're quick. They'll be done in one day. Wow, our backyard is great.
Should have moved all that stuff over, but they did. Off now. You've already got video of them tearing it off, and they're going to start putting the new one down.
Wow, look at this. This is how thin the roof is. I thought it's thick. Wow, it's... Wow, look at the sunshine. Honey, look at the sunshine. sun is up now.
Ay, está metida allá. Sí. Tomemos otra.
Look how thin. Honey, this is the one. This is very thin. Nah. Look how thin. This is the outside, honey, this is the outside.
Yeah, that's a single.
This that's cool. We're almost done. Oh, my flower. What a roof. Oh, look what's that.
Sí, güey, esa 19, 29.
One of the worker to video me on top of the roof, and he is very nice to do it for me. And look, as you can see, ang ganda, para siyang the black one is like sticky one, so they have to cover everything like that first, and then para lang siyang carpet. It's like I don't know how to describe, he rolled it down and it's like sticky. It's like plastic. And then, para siyang floor mat lang siya. And then, look how they did it. It's nicely made. And it's nice. I don't know what's that for, but that's what we do. Now they're putting the roof.
Did you run into it? You want a hose?
This is what they put first. Oh, it's like a plastic. Mo din ilang ibutang. Ay, now I know, Han. That's a sticky one, and then they put this.
Yeah.
Then they put the shell, the what is that? Shingles. They're there. There you go. I asked again, and he showed me how it looks up in the roof, by the roof. See, they did a good job, guys. I love the color. Charcoal gray. Wow, they're almost done. He's finishing some part of the, I don't know how you call the middle part. And look at that. I was down there too. That's my darling. So they really did a good job, and if you want do your roof, you can contact Summit 614-8-Summit. So they're all finishing and they're cleaning up the yard. Wow, it's pretty, right? What is that?
It's got a magnet so it goes along and picks up all the nails.
That's cool. Wow, magnet. Rolling, rolling. Got more? Nice. Wow, they clean everything. They're done. Beautiful today. And I asked him again one more time for the final result. And wow, they did it for 3.5 hours. And they colored that to black. So that's a good thing. They really did a good job. And thank you guys for watching this video. And just like I said, it's from the Summit company. They did a good job. Their workers are very, very quick, and they did pretty well. They are friendly also. And he did it for me on top of the roof. So that's it, guys. I hope you like my video. And once again, thank you for watching.